This is TROPIC. It's a new category of shoes. We call it the all-terrain sneaker. It's a mesh of a comfy urban shoe with a rugged technical outdoor boot. On the one hand, it's stylish, comfortable, and light. On the other, it's meticulously crafted as an incredible shoe for the outdoors. It's super light. It grabs your foot firmly with an elastic counter heel. It has a slip-resistant sole with a strong rubber grip, so you can trust it anywhere. When you're in the city, you'll appreciate the comfort it brings you. The freedom. It's made with Cosmo Materials 3D mesh, so it's super breathable. It comes with both elastic and regular shoelaces, so you can wear it the way you want to. TROPIC is 100% water friendly. And it dries in minutes using the patented treatments Agin and Combat. It's built to slip on. And it's made to be worn with or without socks. It's a shoe for city lovers, adventurers, and explorers. Take it wherever life takes you.
You know that quote, "It's not about the destination, but the journey"? We think that is a load of crap. No matter what, there is always aspects of travel that suck. That is exactly why we have created Range Travel Goods. We guarantee that each of our products makes travel easier. And with our fourth product launching here on Kickstarter, that's no exception. Introducing the Travel Stash. The Travel Stash allows you to customize the way you organize all your valuables and travel essentials to be close and secure while getting from point A to point B. There are 3 modular components that make this travel system so unique. The large pouch, mini pouch, and the adjustable belt with the secret stash zipper. The large pouch has been specifically designed to securely hold your passport, travel documents, and cell phone. It also features a headphone cord pass-through. With its smaller front pocket, you'll be able to keep separate your cards, keys, cash, and coins, along with any other small travel items you may need. The mini pouch is sized to mimic a small wallet. It will hold your hotel key, a handful of important cards, in addition to your cash and coins. The adjustable belt with the secret stash is made from an elastic material with a minimalist clip. The concealed stash allows you to separate extra cash from your wallet while still keeping it close and secure. Although each of these components are useful on their own, what makes the Travel Stash the ultimate travel accessory is the ability to combine and adapt each part to your individual travel needs. Both pouches are designed to slide onto the adjustable one-size-fits-all waist belt and worn as a traditional money belt. Or if you'd rather, both the large and mini pouches have premium plastic hooks that allow for a removable nylon lanyard to be attached. Because of the high-quality triple extra soft material chosen in making this low-profile design, either way you choose to wear it, the pouches can be worn on the inside of your waistband, under your shirt or jacket for added protection, or on the outside of your clothes to keep everything close at hand. There are a number of different scenarios that we have personally experienced as travelers ourselves that we were fed up and downright tired of. Whether you're at the market and not wanting to pull out a wad of cash on the street, or maybe you're on the plane and want to keep your passport close. The Travel Stash is a great tool for the gym as well. How often do your workout clothes lack pockets? Or maybe the pockets are too small. Use the stash for running or the gym, etc. Keeping everything in one place with easy access is vital for airport and security checkpoints. Store your ID and boarding passes at your fingertips. Did we mention that both the large and mini pouches have RFID blocking technology built right into them? This will ensure your credit cards and IDs are secure from information swiping, a growing issue in everyday travel. However you decide to use them will give you peace of mind, so you can enjoy the important stuff like what pizza joint you're going to eat at, or which train gets you back to your hotel. We are excited to bring this product to market. We've been researching, developing, and testing the travel stash for over a year now. We know this will be the best travel accessory you'll ever own. With over 50,000 customers served, we are excited to bring to life the latest product in the Range Travel Goods family. Thank you for your support and happy travels.
Stinky socks can cause a lot of trouble. Wouldn't it be great if there were socks that don't stink, are easy to organize, minimalistic and wearable for almost every occasion, and your feet are not cold or too warm?
Hey guys, I'm Sebastian, the founder of Onemerino. Our goal was to create the world's best travel and business socks, and here we are now.
These socks follow you everywhere, and they simply don't stink. No joke. You can wear them several days in a row without washing. And that is not because of chemicals or silver. No, the main material is this natural high-tech yarn.
These little fellows here produce this high-tech yarn. Yeah, actually merino wool grows on their back.
Merino wool is antibacterial and has a built-in climate regulation. It is used in sportswear by athletes all over the world. So we bring merino wool into your everyday athlete routine. You wake up in the morning, you put on your socks, you go to work. You have a meeting, you put on your fancy shoes. You put on your sports shoes. You change your shoes again, you have a beer with your friends, you go to sleep, and your socks are still fresh. And that is not only our experience. The Onemerino sock has been used by over 100 testers in all imaginable activities since 9 months. And the feedback we got was overwhelming. Everybody asked for more socks. They all loved the features. For example, when you pack for your next trip, no matter if it's for business, camping, backpacking or festival. Let's say you're gone for a week. You only need one pair of socks. And all the other stuff, of course. But you get the point. And they're super easy to organize. Simply pick them out of your sock chaos. You recognize them by the red color. Or build up a new collection to recognize them even better. The day will come that even merino socks like some refreshment. So simply hang them out for an hour or overnight and they will feel like out of the washer.
To provide you with the best quality possible, we teamed up with our German manufacturer, and now we're going to show you how the unique process of producing merino socks actually works.
Made in Germany. That means tradition meets high-tech. The toe area of our socks is hand-knitted. They are seamless and therefore you don't have any pressure points in your shoe. And finally, every single sock is quality tested by a real person. See how much love goes into every single sock? As we optimized every single step of the value chain, we now have a fully developed product. Our socks support you in every imaginable situation.
Now to go into production, we need your help. And well, everybody needs socks, so choose one of our pledges and get the best merino deal you ever had.
Hey Kickstarter! In 2015, we had an idea to make air travel more comfortable, and we asked you for help. And you pledged over $70,000 to help our dream come true, and we can't thank you enough. And then, we took off, and have sales in 70 countries around the world. We've been featured in over 100 publications, including a spot on HSN's American Dreams, and we were honored to be the first product to win Steve Harvey's Thunderdome on ABC. And now, we're back. With the next evolution in travel comfort, the airhook 2.0. Installation is the same. Open the tray table and place the airhook's anchor over the top of it, and then close and lock that tray table. Our first addition is the stabilizer bar to make the entire setup more secure. Push against the tray table to create a clamping effect, then fully tighten the lower knob. To make it easier to set up your electronics device, we've moved the bungee adjustment button to the back of the device perch. Place the anchor over the top of your device, push the button, and pull down on the bungee to secure into place. You now have full range of movement, and your device can be adjusted to any viewing angle. The airhook will support cell phones and tablets up to 9.5 inches tall. And with this version, you can move into convertible mode when your cup support is not in use. Loosen and simply fold out of the way. Fold back up when you want to support your favorite beverage. Can support is now built directly into the base. Operate with a simple push and it automatically locks into place. Last but not least, we are so very excited for the biggest update of all. The airhook works outside of a plane now too. We designed the crossbar, a spring-loaded coupling for your airhook that attaches to your vehicle's headrest. Unlock, tighten, and slide your airhook into the base. From here, use the airhook just like you would in flight by supporting your electronics device and a beverage. Or enjoy device support only like it was built into your headrest. As a bonus, the crossbar fits within your luggage handlebars too. Watch your favorite movie hands-free or get some work done while you're sitting at the gate.
We've tested on many of the major airlines, dozens of vehicles, and all the luggage we can find. We've documented those results on our campaign page with such great feedback. We're ready to move forward with manufacturing and ready to get the product into your hands by the holidays. Please support the Airhook 2.0 and back this project, and once again, get a great deal on the product that will forever change the way you travel. Thank you so much for watching.